This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming two things. You have an administrator account and a backup. Once those are ready, open Settings and check for Windows updates. Updating avoids known bugs. Next, open Control Panel or Settings to reach accounts. You will switch between local and Microsoft sign-in options. Make sure to note your Microsoft account email. If you need recovery codes, grab them on your phone. These preparations let you proceed safely into account and credential troubleshooting. Now you dig into where the missing password prompt is controlled. Open Credential Manager to clear stale Windows credentials. Once done, examine sign-in options and remove conflicting PINs or Windows Hello configurations. If this is a domain or multiple user machine, run Netpluiz or Computer Management to reveal hidden local accounts. Make sure to disable Fast Startup as it can bypass the lock screen. These steps resolve most cases where the password field does not appear. To finish, restart the PC so changes take effect. If the password still doesn't show, boot into safe mode and test sign-in there. If you can access an admin account, reset the affected user password and sign out then back in. If problems persist, run System File Checker and DISM to fix corrupted system files. Once complete, reboot again. One key troubleshooting tip: if the sign-in field vanishes after updates, use System, restore to a point before the update, or restore from your backup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.